Hi there. Wow, what a day. My really good friend Mary came over around 12 o'clock and we spent the first hour talking about just the shot list, just about what we're shooting and the flow and what angles I wanted. And oh God, there's a really big bug. I'm back. That was a really big ass bug. We hit the ground running from 1 to 4:30. We shot 8 episodes and I cannot believe how quickly that flew by. And we had so much fun doing it. You know, things were a work in progress. We were figuring it out as we went. And we'll try something on and then we'll like, we didn't love it, so we'll try this angle and we'll try this transition. And it was just so much fun to plan out the shoot and to figure out the flow and making sure that we were being economical with our time and our space. And so, yeah, so now I'll just be editing and it's just super organic and super authentic, and there's some weird moments, some funny moments, some imperfections, but just embracing all of that and letting it be what it is. And so I'm really excited for that. And it's very DIY. It's definitely in the spirit of doing it yourself. I shot this on my iPhone using the native camera app, and then I'll just dive into learning how to edit this and just figuring how to do that. And then hopefully I'll be able to post something within the next week or so. And to my friend Mary, thank you so much for giving me so many hours of your time on a weekend and making the drive down here, and for your input and your collaboration and your playfulness. It was such a joy to work with you, and I appreciate everything you gave. Thank you so very much. See you guys soon. Bye.